Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the cabbage soup diet, a popular choice for those seeking quick weight loss. In this video, we'll explore how this simple yet effective diet can help you shed pounds rapidly while maintaining good health. It's essential to note that this diet isn't just about losing weight. It's also about adopting a health-conscious lifestyle. If you're looking to kickstart your weight loss journey, the cabbage soup diet might be perfect for you. We'll cover its basic principles and the quick results you can expect. Whether you're new to dieting or a seasoned health enthusiast, this guide aims to provide valuable insights that cater to your wellness goals. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how the cabbage soup diet can become an integral part of your path to better health. Stay tuned as we uncover more in the next segment. In this segment, we delve into the remarkable health benefits of the cabbage soup diet, which offers more than just weight loss. Cabbage soup is rich in vitamins and minerals essential for a balanced diet. It's low in calories, yet packed with nutrients, making it ideal for shedding pounds without sacrificing nutrition. This diet provides a filling, nutritious option that helps curb hunger and cravings. As we explore its advantages, consider how incorporating this diet can benefit your health journey. Whether you're aiming to kickstart weight loss or seeking a healthier eating pattern, the cabbage soup diet offers a sustainable approach. Why choose cabbage soup? It promises quick results while nourishing your body with vital nutrients. Stay with us as we continue this guide, detailing how you can prepare this simple yet effective meal at home. Embrace the power of cabbage soup and set yourself on a path toward achieving your health goals. Here's how to prepare your own delicious cabbage soup at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 head of cabbage, a couple of carrots, 2 onions, a few stalks of celery, and some diced tomatoes. These simple components form the foundation of a healthy and satisfying meal. Begin by chopping the vegetables into bite-sized pieces, keeping the cabbage leaves large enough to hold their texture during cooking. Heat a pot over medium flame and add a splash of olive oil. Sauté the onions until translucent, then add the carrots and celery. Once the vegetables start to soften, add the diced tomatoes and stir well. It's now time to add the star ingredient, cabbage. Let it all simmer together as you pour in enough vegetable broth to cover the mix. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Stir occasionally and season with salt, pepper, and herbs like thyme or basil. Remember these tips. Keep your cuts uniform for even cooking, and don't rush the simmering process. It allows the flavors to meld beautifully. In no time, you'll have a pot of nourishing cabbage soup ready to serve, perfect for starting your weight loss journey. What can you expect from the cabbage soup diet? Many have embarked on this journey and witnessed remarkable transformations. With dedication, you might see significant weight loss within just a week. Imagine stepping on the scale and seeing those numbers drop. It's an exhilarating feeling. Personal stories highlight not just the successes, but also the challenges of maintaining such a focused regimen. Some have found it difficult to adhere strictly or have faced cravings for other foods. Yet, those who persevered often found themselves rewarded with not only weight loss, but a renewed sense of health and vitality. Remember, every individual's journey is unique, and results can vary. It's important to stay informed and prepared for both the highs and potential hurdles. This way, you'll be equipped to make the most of your cabbage soup diet experience. As we delve deeper into understanding these outcomes, we'll help guide you through making informed decisions tailored to your health goals. Stay with us as we prepare to transition into our final segment, where we'll offer encouragement and next steps to start your own journey towards a healthier you. As we wrap up, let's recap the power of the cabbage soup diet. You've learned how this simple yet effective plan can help you shed pounds quickly while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Ready to embark on your journey to a healthier you? Give the cabbage soup diet a try and witness the results firsthand. Remember, every great transformation begins with a single step. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more insightful health tips and guides. Join us as we continue to explore simple and effective ways to enhance your well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your path to a healthier lifestyle.